Welcome to HB Toonz Academy, the home of fun, fast, and beginner-friendly phone animation tutorial. Whether you are an aspiring animator, a student, or just someone who loves cartoons, this is where your animation journey begins using just your phone. Learn how to create 2D animated skits, design cool cartoon backgrounds, master lip syncing, animate characters, and bring your ideas to life, all without needing a PC or expensive software. At HB Toonz Academy, we break down complex animation steps into simple, easy to follow videos made especially for mobile creators using apps like Flipper Clip, Highlight Motion, CapCut, and many more that will be shared with us as time goes on. I am your instructor, Humble Bless, a passionate animator and storyteller. I am here to guide you from beginner to pro, one tutorial at a time. So, if you are ready to animate your dreams and join a growing community of mobile animators, hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and let's start creating magic together. HB Toonz Academy, animation made simple, fun, and mobile. See you in the next video.